Happy good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Sunny. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try these Girl Scout cookies.
But,
Wait a minute. Sunny,
Woody,
where are all the cookies?
I ate them, and they were really good, too.
You don't say.
Yep, but now we can craft with the empty box. Let's make a purse.
A purse? Great idea, Sunny.
Yay, let's get started.
Begin by flattening the empty box. Use an X-Acto knife and a ruler to help you cut an opening in the side of the box. I'm using basic acrylic paint to cover the inside of the purse. For the outside covering, we're using some teal and purple metallic paper. I found some gold glitter paper to cover the trim and use as accents.
Oh, it's so pretty already.
We're not done yet. Let's glue the sides back together and add some decorations. Let's make a gold button clasp. I'm putting some gold glitter on a plain wooden bead.
Oh, I love the sparkles.
We're using some embroidery floss in matching colors to attach the bead to the opening of the purse. Use another piece of thread to make a loop, glue to secure. Now you can easily open and close your purse.
Oh, I'm just loving this. What's next?
Next, we'll make a handle and a shoulder strap. Using more glitter paper, cut the center out of 2 small rectangles. Let's use this ribbon as our shoulder strap. These will be the side buckles for our strap. Fold the ribbon around the top half of the buckle and glue. Using hot glue, place a small amount on the bottom half of the buckle. Attach the buckles to the sides of the purse.
Pretty. Let's use the inside tray too.
Great idea, Sunny. Make 2 cuts to cut the tray into 3 pieces. Trim around the edges to make everything even. I'm using acrylic paint to cover each tray. This took about 3 coats for full coverage. Next, cut some scrapbook paper into large rectangles. Trim the corners to match the inside dimensions of each tray. I decided to round the corners to help the coverings close easier. Only glue the bottom flat to the inside of the tray.
Ooh, more sparkly silver ribbon.
Yep, this time we're making some small loops and gluing them to the top flaps of each tray. Here's a handy tip. Use tweezers to help hold the ribbon into place until the glue dries.
Let's fill the purse.
You can use your purse for many things. Use it as a nail care kit. Small polish bottles easily fit inside. For longer accessories like a nail file, you can just tuck them inside. Or you can store your beauty supplies inside.
Oh, I just love the way this purse turned out.
Hide your jewelry or organize your hair supplies. Can you think of any more items you can store in your purse? Come on, Sunny, let's go. You owe me a box of cookies.
Oh, can we get 2 boxes?
Your shoulder strap will tuck easily inside and you can use your purse as a handbag. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. Happy crafting!